Summer soup. Eggplants, red bell peppers and tomatoes. 25 calories only. We'll be needing 1 eggplant, 5 red bell peppers and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We start by chopping the tomatoes in the manner that you see and placing them inside a big pot. Then we chop the red peppers. We take the head out first, take out the seeds, and then chop it in the way that you see. Then we place it inside the pan on top of the tomatoes. Now we peel the eggplant in the way that you see, and then chop it into cubes and place it inside the pan. Add 4 cups of water to the pan, cover it and bring it to boil. When boiling, set the heat to medium-low and let it cook covered for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, blend all the ingredients together with a hand blender. Blend it well until it's all smooth. Now let's add the spices. Let's add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, or 5 cloves. Now add 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock powder and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, add 3 pieces of cloves. Close the lid and simmer on medium-low for 5 minutes. And the soup is done. Serve and garnish with cilantro.